Hi, second graders, it's Mrs. Compton, and today we're going to do a little make me true. Now, you know that this is a number bond, right? So let's check it out. If I put 62 at the top of our number bond, and this is like our whole, right? Our total, our whole, and then down here, I think I'm going to put 30. What would be the missing piece? What would be the missing piece? So this is like a part. This is a part. And this is the whole. So we're really looking to see what the missing part is. Okay, so everybody hit pause, and I want you to figure out what the missing part is. Hit pause. Okay, maybe you thought of this. If you have 30, there's my 30. You see it right there? There it is. If you have 30 and the whole number is 62, maybe you thought, well, I could add 10, 20, 30, 31, 32. Maybe you thought I could add 32. And then you would land on the 62. So the part would be 32. Or maybe you knew 30 plus 30 made 60. Maybe you already knew that. And then you thought, well, I need to add 60 plus 2 more to get to 62. So you had to add on 32 again. Interesting. Okay, so let's try out another one. Let's do it. I want to move my whole. I think I should put it right there. Makes more sense to me. All right, so let's do it. I think my next whole number that I'm going to choose is going to be 75. 75. And the part is going to be, I'm going to put this part on. What is missing? Okay, everybody hit pause. Do it now. I'm telling you. Okay, I don't even know the answer yet, so I want to see what you say. On the count of 3, you have to tell me what your answer is. Ready? 1, 2, 3, tell me. Let's find out. So if we have 21, and we know the whole is 75, just kind of like we did here last time, 21 and 75 is the whole. What number would we have to add to get all the way to the whole? Couldn't even see me in there, thank goodness, because I was kind of going a little crazy. All right, so we've got to figure this out. So maybe you use the 120 chart. Maybe you use your fingers. Maybe you get lost if you're using your fingers and you're like, oh my gosh, this is too many numbers. And then you're like, I'm going to try a number line. So we could say, how many hops would it take to get from 21 to 75? So let's see. How many hops will it take? Okay, so maybe you would say 21. Maybe you would hop all the way to 30 to get to a friendly number. Let's see. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. So I took 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 little hops. So I have 9 little hops to get to 30. And then we still have to get to 75. So, man, I think my number line needs to be even longer. Okay. So 30 plus what makes 75? Well, 30 plus 10, 20, 30, 40. So I know every time I go down a row, I'm adding 10. So I counted by 10 starting at 30. 10, 20, 30, 40. So if I add on 40, I'll land on 70. And now we are in luck because we have 5 more to go. So there we go, plus 5 equals 75. Now, here's the tricky part. Where's your answer? Well, because we are planning ahead in life, we already put where the answer would be. See how I made that little dotted line with the question mark right there? That's where your answer is. So the 9 plus the 40 plus the 5 is the answer. Everybody take a breath. What is 9 plus 40 plus 5? Chip, do you know? There's Chip over there. He's thinking about it. 40 plus 9 is 49 plus 5 more. 1 more would make 50. So it must be 54. So I'm going to say the missing part is 54. Now, when we think about our story, because our story is coming up, we can use these things that we just thought about to help us figure things out. My dog is over there and he's looking at me like I'm crazy. Chippy, you want to come be in the video? You want to come say hi? Come here. Come here, come say hi. He's like, he's thinking about it. Okay, so here we go. I'm going to take down my 120 chart and I'm going to show you the story. So this story is all about raffle tickets, and we have to say hello to a class at Meadows. So hi, Meadows. It's nice to see you guys. And Mrs. Cubillos is a teacher at Meadows, and here she is in her story. So we've got raffle tickets. Mrs. Cubillos had raffle tickets. Then she gave some away. Okay, so Mrs. Cubillo had some raffle tickets. We know how many she started with, right? But then she gave some away. Now Mrs. Cubillos has raffle tickets left. How many tickets did she give away? Okay, so Mrs. Cubillos had some raffle tickets. She gave some away. She shared them. And then she had left at the end. You have to figure out how many she shared. Let's check it out with some numbers. Okay, so let's see. Here we go. I'm going to take that down there. Okay, Mrs. Cubillos had 89 raffle tickets. Then she gave some away. Now Mrs. Cubillos has 40 raffle tickets left. Okay, so she started with 89. See that? There they are, 89 there. Count them all up. Yeah, right. Okay, then she gave some away. And she only had 40 left at the end. See, there's only 40 left in her hands. How many did she give away? All right, kids. So as you're solving this problem, you can think about the 120 chart. You can even, hopefully you have a 120 chart. You can use it. And you can also think about the number bond and use that. So you can think about, all right, if I wanted to use my number bond, what would go at the top? Would we know the number that was going there? Mrs. Cubillos had 89 raffle tickets. So do we know the whole? So you can use the tools that we are learning about in our warm-ups to help you with your story. All right, kids, your turn. I hope Chip comes for our next video. I can't wait to introduce him to you. I'll see you next time. Bye.